Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. I just want to remind you, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so that you never miss any of my content. I'm bringing you this wig review today for PinkeePromise.com. Today we're going to take a look at Esprit by Wille in Bernstein Rooted. I have wanted to try this wig for a long time, so I'm excited to share more about her in just a minute. Okay, let's start looking at this cute Wille style. So this is Esprit, and this is something that I have been, a wig that I've been wanting to try for a while. And I love this color. I love the color distribution of this Bernstein Rooted with the wave pattern on this wig. I think it looks really, really pretty. But she's kind of along the lines of their dance wig. She's a little bit longer, and I think that's what I like about her. I just like how she just has an easy little wave going through her, makes her look very natural. This is regular synthetic, but their regular synthetic fibers are not super, super shiny. Sometimes the blondes are shiny, but it's hard to not have shiny on the blondes in regular synthetic fibers. But they do tend to have a little less shine to them. And I just think she's really, really pretty. This, has a root and everything too, which we'll talk about when we talk about the color, but really, really cute style. So I'm excited to get to try her. So I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and we'll get into all of her specs. So here we are from the front. Okay, back to the front. All right, so she has a really nice lace front. It is true temple to temple. It's extended down onto the ear tabs. So looks really, really nice. Gives you great coverage. The knots are tiny. Just looks really, really great. Then I'll show you the part. She has a left mono part. I think it's extended all the way to the crown if I remember. Yeah, it goes back to the crown, which I like. And it was easy to open on this hand-tied cap, which was nice. Okay, ear tabs. I've got great coverage on the ear tabs. So cap-wise, this is fitting me great ear to ear. I'm 11 inches ear to ear. I am 13 inches forehead to nape, and there's a little bit of extra room. And I did have to bring in the adjusters just a tad. I just felt like the cap was loose on me. And I either wear a wig grip or I tape down my lace front. So, when I'm doing these reviews, I don't do that, obviously. So I just think the cap is so light and airy since it's hand tied that it's just really easy for me to show you the lace front and, move the cap on my head. So to wear it, I would definitely, put a little piece of tape there on my lace front like I always do. So, okay, so let's look at measurements. So measurements, I'm going to give you a little change to the measurements because I saw the nape and I was like, there's no way. So we'll get to that in a moment. So here in the front, 7.5 inches. She has a 10-inch measurement from the crown. She has 7.25 inch sides, and they have her listed on the Ellen Villa website and on several sales websites as 7.25 inches at the nape. I'm here to tell you, I measured the nape. It is about 3.8 inches. So I don't know why that mistake was made, but just know that she does not have a 7-inch nape. Obviously, if she had a 7-inch nape, I would have hair touching my shoulders. So it's more like an almost 4-inch, about 3.8 inches. So nape. Weight-wise, she's 2.65 ounces. She's super, super lightweight. So I just think she's really, really cute. I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. Okay, let's look at her cap. So here is that left mono part that goes all the way back to the crown. I love when they do that. It just looks so much more natural. The hair lays, naturally. I like that. So this is just a hand-tied portion right here, but not a portion where you would change your part. Your parting space is going to be just within this mono part. And then here's your extended lace front. Looks really, really nice. So that is going to give you that true temple to temple coverage. Love that too. Seeing a lot of extended lace fronts now, and I like it. Okay, so soft felt ear tabs. They have a nice piece of metal in there, so that gives you that good appearance, keeps it flush against your face. So this is a partially hand-tied cap, so it's hand-tied all on this portion, hand-tied up here on top. And then you have some closed wefting here. Now don't worry about closed wefting versus hand-tied. It still looks very natural, if the hair moves or whatever. So they just do that because it helps the hair lay down right. It strengthens the cap a little bit just helps it to last longer for you. Okay, extended soft felt nape with Velcro adjusters. I will show you that rooting there. You can see that at the nape. That goes just all around, you know, the style, that rooting color. Okay, I'll pop her back on and we'll talk about the color. Let's look at this beautiful Bernstein rooted. This has become one of my favorite colors by Ellen Villa. Like I said, I love the way the highlights look. The color is warm, which I like, and just think it looks really pretty with the layering and the different waves that are going through this wig. So the description for Bernstein Rooted, by the way, the numbers for Bernstein Rooted are 12, 26, 19. So again, I don't see a number that indicates what the root color is. I would guess it's a 6 to an 8. So that's just a total guess. Don't know. They didn't give it to me. Okay, description-wise, we have light brown base with subtle light honey blonde and light butterscotch blonde highlights with dark roots. So they just call it dark root. So maybe it's more like a 6. It's not a long root. It goes into these lighter browns and the blondes very quickly in the style. So, but I just think it gives it some dimension. That's what I like about a rooted style. So as you can see those pretty highlights. So they describe those as light honey and light butterscotch, definitely gold, warm. The brunette that's going through this is warm. So we'll look at that rooting. That rooting is going to show up, like I said, I showed you at the nape earlier. It's going to, be anywhere you separate the hair. You're going to see that rooting. They put, some of the lighter colors around here, but as you get down the ear tab, then you can see a little more of that rooting, but they still, distributed those lighter colors as you go down there too. So looks really, really nice. All right, let's take it outside and check it out there. So under my patio cover, you can see the dimension in this color. You can see that brunette looks lighter. Here's the lace front. But you can still see the warmth. There's your rooting. Okay, so here we are, just on the edge of the sun here in the shade. Those highlights look so pretty. I'll step into the sun. Super easy to tuck behind the ears. No permatease with this hand-tied cap. Glasses are very easy. Go up on your head, no problem. She looks cute with a headband. You can pull all the hair back in that headband or pull out a little bit around your face, which looks cute too. So as far as, other styling, you can wear her tucked behind the ears is one way that you could wear her. And I think she looks really cute that way. She doesn't have the length to go, excuse me, half up and half down. She's just not quite long enough. So I would just tuck, or if you wanted to, excuse me, sorry. You could, just clip it right behind the ear. And that would be cute. This lace front is very nice. It's extended temple to temple, so you can always do, off the face styling would look really cute. So, but not an updo wig or anything like that with that short nape. So, but I think she looks cute just all by herself. You could also work a little product into her, spray her with some water, give her a little scrunching, wake up those waves a little bit more, or put in some texturizing product, and that would be really cute too. So thank you to Pinkee Promise for sending this wig to review for y'all today. There'll be purchase information in the drop down box down below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.